Okay, we have the ingredients here.
This is corn flour. This is milk. This is cotton milk. This is
Coconut milk,
and this is
corn. Yeah,
and this is
condensed milk.
Nice.
Okay, this is our corn flour. This is our condensed milk. It's up on you if you want to be what call this, you want to make a color, or you put latik. What you call that one in word? They called it latik from coconut. Okay, this one is our sweet corn, and this is our coconut milk, and this is our milk also. Ingredients. Now, because we are here in Greece, they don't have any coconut here, so we have ready-made coconut from Asian market. We both is one from Asian market. Now, here.
Oh, that's like milk.
Okay, yeah, it's a coconut milk. Oh,
It smells good.
okay. Now we'll make it ready our condensed milk. Here again. Here. Can you hold it and make it a... Okay, just wait a little bit.
Opening it. Oh, that's yummy.
We're gonna pour it also.
You guys can see. Oh, the milk is swinging. Can you see the viewers?
The others, they are putting sugar, but me, because I don't like so much sweet, only condensed. So mix it. Wait a minute. Sweet corn, we're gonna put all also here. Okay. And mix it well, and let it boil. Ooh, yummy. Okay, you can mix it.
Okay.
Like that, but be careful.
It's definitely.
Wow, and after that, let it boil.
It's boiling. Milk.
Now, while we are waiting to boil this one, we'll make it ready our corn flour and milk. My daughter is helping me. Okay, make it more,
Okay.
more, darling. More. Okay, now you can mix it.
Yay.
My good girl. Wow. We can make it like this because it's big, our mixer. You can make it like this, darling. Like this. Because look, it's all down.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we will put our corn flour and milk. Okay, put all together
This
like that and mix it.
because I don't have really vlog now.
Okay, we will mix all this one like this. Mix it well and leave it for 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
And after 10 minutes, let it cool a little bit. Okay, when let cool, put it in one Tupperware. Oh. And this is our Maha Blanka. Okay. This is the outcome.
Yum.
Yummy.
So yum. I really want to
Happy
eat it.
tummy. Okay, this is our Maha Blanka. Okay, just we'll mix it. We'll cut it. This is for you, darling. Okay, cut it. Our creamy Maha Blanka.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course.
Yay.